Now I'm using a format method to insert in one string a variable. Let me show you how it's going. For example, I create a variable age and assign it 7 or any number that I want. And then I create a variable name here again, and I said I am Lucy and I am here. I want to insert a variable. So with double thing I do it. On this one I have to have that's a string that I have to have it. So and after that one, okay, so what I want to do, I want to put it on the screen, and I say name the variable that I have here, and I get the format method, and on this format method I put the variable that I have to put it right here. So here whatever is going to be is going to print it right there. Let me show you how this works. So this is good cases. We are going to have empty. So if a person enter the name, here it is. Let me show you a different name. So if I say that input, I ask the user enter your age, okay, and put it here. Let me show you how does it work. So I say here it is 7, then when I put it here it is, I have to give a little space here, and let me one more time, I run it, it's going to be that, okay, I say 67, so I'm Lucy and I'm 67 years old. So I'm not sure what, we may have multiple variable and we won't put only one string, so we leave that variable right now empty with curly bracket, and then we